Okay, so I'm just working with the fluid simulation, which would be this one here by Ryan King, and doing my own here in wireframe. It's pretty cool. As you can see. And then when we go to the shaded mode, I think I need to stop it because it's still rendering. So I'm going to go back to the beginning and go to this mode here. So that's kind of cool. So yes, the part that's been rendered, of course, I can scroll back and forth when it's been baked, but I like how you can put an animated baffle in to move the fluid around. I haven't yet worked on the transparency of the water. I imagine that that's the volume, the fluid source. I think this is where is it that we have the band? That's the base color. It's in the volume, I guess. So if I were to go make the water metallic, that gives it some shine. Take down the roughness maybe, and go to the alpha. It doesn't seem to do anything yet. Whether there should be some sheen or some tint to it. Don't seem to get that much. Some weight there in the sheen. But for the transparency, the blend mode could be opaque, it could be alpha clip or alpha blend. If we turn it to alpha blend, then perhaps when we use the alpha, we see some transparency. I'm not sure that that is really the best way to go about it with the alpha blend. Maybe it should be, let's go back here, maybe it should be a alpha clip. No, not really. If we go to opaque, we have transmission, no, specular subsurface. So there's not an opacity per se here, but that would be the way to do it. I wonder if backface color makes a difference, but it's not really giving us something interesting for that. Anyway, it's a start. It is a start, and we'll continue working with that tutorial and seeing what we can get from that. So just wanted to note the progress. And then we'll continue on with the tutorial. Right. So that's pretty cool and pretty simple. All right, that's it for now.